Is the beauty industry built on lies? Or are we just falling for the illusion? Ever felt like beauty brands are tricking you into spending more? Or wondered if influencers are really being honest about the products they rave about? Welcome back to me and Halo. This is Season 7, and we're uncovering the biggest secrets of the beauty industry. From misleading marketing tactics to the hidden truth behind clean beauty, we're exposing what brands don't want you to know. Because let's be real, sometimes the beauty industry is more about profit than products that actually work. Previously on Me and Halo, last season, we tested the most expensive beauty products in the world, from $1,000 face creams to luxury spa treatments. Did they live up to the hype? Some did. Some were pure marketing. If you missed it, check the link in the description. But this season, we're taking things deeper, uncovering the hidden tricks of the beauty world so you can make smarter choices. The ultimate guide to this season. Here's what we're exposing. Episode 1: How beauty brands trick you into buying more. Ever walked into a beauty store for one thing and left with 5? That's no accident. We're revealing the psychological tricks brands use to make you spend more. How limited editions, bundles, and gift sets manipulate your choices. The sneaky way brands create fake demand for products. Episode 2: The truth about clean beauty. Is it just marketing? Is clean beauty really better or just a buzzword? In this episode, we'll break down what clean really means and why it's not always safer. Compare clean versus non-clean products. Do they actually perform differently? Reveal the loopholes brands use to make products seem clean. Mobile Phone with Arrow Episode 3: Are influencer beauty reviews honest? The hidden secrets. Can you really trust beauty influencers? We're investigating how sponsorships and PR deals influence reviews. Why some influencers don't even test products before recommending them. How to spot a fake or biased review. Episode 4: How to read skincare labels. What ingredients to avoid. Ever felt confused reading an ingredients list? We're simplifying it. The red flag ingredients you should avoid. What marketing terms like dermatologist tested actually mean. How to decode a product's real effectiveness just by reading the label. Episode 5: Why some beauty products are discontinued. The real reason. Ever fallen in love with a product only for it to disappear? We're revealing why brands secretly discontinue products, even bestsellers. The real reason shades get pulled from shelves. How to find discontinued favorites or perfect dupes. Episode 6: The dark side of the beauty industry. Fake products and scams. The beauty world isn't all glam. There's a shady side, too. We're exposing how counterfeit beauty products make their way into stores. The dangerous ingredients lurking in fake cosmetics. How to spot fake products before you buy. Episode 7: What's next in beauty? The future of makeup and skincare. What's coming next in beauty? We're diving into the biggest upcoming beauty trends. New technology and innovations, AI, skincare devices, and more. How the industry is changing and what it means for you. Which episode are you most excited for? Drop a comment below. And if you love honest, no BS beauty insights, hit like and subscribe, because this season, we're exposing everything brands don't want you to know. Up first, how beauty brands trick you into buying more. Stay tuned.